Rubberized concrete pavement blocks consisting of recycled tires and cement facilitate environmental protection and preservation. Advanced countries including Australia, Canada, Israel, Japan, Holland, New Zealand, South Africa, UK and USA are producing rubberized concrete pavement blocks. Rubberized concretes have better toughness and resilience properties than ordinary concrete formulations. Rubber shredder, mixer and simple molds are the main equipment required for setting up this facility, requiring moderate financial investment. Tires, being not readily biodegradable, ultimately reach the landfills, where they become mosquito breeding points. Using these in concrete blocks recycles these without endangering the environment. Used tires can also be procured at lower costs, thus decreasing production costs of RCBs. This course is divided in 4 short duration lessons. Attendee will be able to understand the basics of rubberized pavement blocks and facilitate thought process for working out feasibility studies. All steps in recycling used tires into particles for use in pavement blocks are flashed on the screen. Machines designed to produce high-quality concrete blocks in various sizes and shapes are easily available in market. These use hydraulic pressure to compress the concrete mixture and mold it into blocks. Vibrators that are used for compacting concrete and other materials can be internal vibrators, external vibrators, or surface vibrators. Customized molds should be fabricated for production of RCBs. Even though rubberized concrete mixture generally has a reduced compressive strength that may limit its use in certain structural applications, rubberized concrete is extremely resistant to aggressive environments, hence, having longer life due to lower rate of degradation against environmental factors. Contact us on email to book slot for this course. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future courses on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center.